What up, Snake Gang? It's your boy Fanilakhe Mamba. We're back again with another YouTube video. Man, I'm not going alone. I'm going with who?
You know what it is, guys. It's your favorite Uncle Risk Management here in the building. Hey guys, you know these guys, they're messing with me. They call me Uncle Risk Management. But otherwise, I'm here with the Mamba. You know what it is, another YouTube video. And you guys know we're back again with some value-added content. We always like to share our experiential knowledge with you guys. You know, guys, we're looking out for you guys. We don't want to be at the top alone. We want to bring you guys along with us. So obviously, in today's, as you guys can see from the title, today we're going to answer that question, guys. Is trading the financial markets easy? We're going to be answering that question, and we're also going to be giving you guys kind of like a little bit of hints here and there on which parts or what you guys can do to actually make your process a lot more easier than it currently is.
Yeah, guys, so I feel like this guy is copycatting me, guys. He has many names now. He's Mr. Risk Management, he's Doctor. Like, man.
Yeah, I'm inspired by you, man. When I grow up, I want to be like you.
Check this guy, that's a good name. But guys, on a serious note, one thing that I believe would make trading easy more than anything in this world is joining Forex Chasers. Why am I saying that? It's because of you need someone to mentor you for you to know the journey. Like, you can't just say from here you're going maybe to United States, but you don't even know where is your United States, but you're just going. So you need someone to guide you, someone who has been to United States, who knows how to get there, to guide you, show you the hints as to, man, look out for this and that, so that you can get there even more faster. So because of there's a lot of information that is out there on YouTube that one can find, but it's just scattered. It's not organized in a manner to make someone to be a consistent and a profitable trader. So you need to join the community so that you can be guided by the top best mentors in the world that can show you how they themselves did it.
Guys, he called me a top best mentor in the world. Guys, I think this guy he made me feel myself today, guys. He made me feel myself. But yeah, guys, I was listening to him speaking, and he did touch a little bit, like, you know, on YouTube and how YouTube does have some information, but obviously it's all scattered. And that's kind of one thing that will make your journey a lot more difficult. Yes, you might have access to the information, but if that information is, or let's just say maybe if there's too much information, or you don't know where the information is supposed to be used or is most relevant, or what information is necessary to you and what information is not necessary, guys, you're going to be drowning in information. You know, I'm thinking of a YouTube. Drowning in indicators. I'm thinking of those YouTube ads, guys. But that's true. I'm sure you guys have heard of analysis paralysis. And that's just a product of you having too much information to deal with. So much information that you can't make one simple decision on whether or not you're going to take action or not take action at that moment in time. It's a simple decision. But because of all of that information, it makes that decision a little bit more difficult to make. Now, one benefit of actually being part of a course or something of that nature is that all the information is structured for you. What's relevant is there. Also, guys, what makes people's journey a lot more difficult is that in the beginning, you have a lot of information, right? And with all that information, you don't have a solid process, something to say, this is how I'm going to do my things to get to this kind of a conclusion. And for example, once you join someone that has been through that process of creating a system for themselves, your part of your process, it makes that a whole lot easier, because all you're doing is you're just learning someone else's process, and then you're personalizing that process rather than to go through the whole phase of seeing what does work, what doesn't work, trial and error, all of that stuff. That is kind of what makes someone's journey difficult.
Yeah, man. Yeah. As I was listening to Tramayne talking about the difficulties maybe that one can face in trading and all those things, but I came with one tip that I can give you guys to make your trading even more easier. So one thing that one can do is to do back testing. So back testing can make your life very easy and simple in terms of trading. You've got the best mentors at Forex Chasers. We're gonna instill that mindset. We're gonna instill the strategy within you. But now it takes your effort to backtest, journal your trade, have those advanced I know it in full term, advanced self-review. Yeah. Do those advanced self-review, check the progress that we've been making with the best help that you can ever get from from Forex Chasers. So I believe, man, like you do need a community like us to help you change your life, to make things even more simple, because we even help people who are coming from humble beginnings with passing profit, because we do understand that trading can require you to have a lot of money, or it doesn't really require that, but it differs with people's personality. Someone can be more effective trading a $10,000 account compared to trading a $50 account. Someone can be more effective trading a $50 account and growing it to $200 and withdraw. Just keep on doing the same process. So people differ, but if you are that one person who needs a lot of funds, don't worry, man. At Forex Chasers, we do help our traders be able to do it, to pass those profits and be funded traders with large sum of capitals.
I think I would definitely agree, and that's kind of one of the biggest benefits, I guess, of being part of us, because we've taken those steps to actually go through the challenges and the this and the that, and obviously through experiential knowledge, we've came up with processes that kind of help us deal better. First of all, psychologically, with the change in numbers, the difference in account sizes. Second of all, in terms of risk management, because we understand that those prop firms, they catch us with risk. But otherwise, that's a conversation for another story. Yeah. Another day. But otherwise, yes, we've come up with processes to obviously make the process a lot more easier. And then it kind of boils down to you as an individual. Are you someone that wants to go out and learn these things on their own? Obviously, in that way, your journey will be a lot longer. Your journey will have a lot more ups and downs. Like your journey will be volatile. Let me say that. Your journey will be very volatile. But then again, if you want that added stability in your journey, it's always better to work off or to follow someone else that has been down the path that you are planning to take. Because you can work off their experiential knowledge. You know that in 6 kilometers, you're going to turn right and not left. Because now there's someone else to guide you and show you that these are the necessary steps that you need to take to be able to become more efficient or to get to where I am today. So guys, I guess simple enough, we're going to answer this question, is trading easy? I would definitely give it a solid yes. But there are things that you need to add within your process, and obviously your level of dedication and all that do obviously add to this whole thing. So definitely what I would say, guys, is that get someone that has walked the walk that you want to walk, and in that way you will definitely guarantee that your process and your journey will be a lot smoother than someone that is trying to trial and error throughout everything.
Guys,
for sure.
Tramayne just said Forex trading is easy.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely, guys. I do believe it is easy, guys. It is just that many people, they fail to understand the pros of, like, how can I put this, man? Many people fail to understand the real importance of consistency as a trader. Because, like, if you're doing one and the same thing over and over again, man, trust me, man, you're gonna master that thing, and then it's gonna give you results. But if you keep on changing each and every day, you're never gonna find consistency. You're never gonna make money. So it's just as easy as that. Repeat the same process over and over again. Damn, repeat the same process over and over again, guys. So that you find consistency.
You guys are hearing, repeat the same process. You guys are not consistent because your process is too complicated. Leave all those hundreds of things, guys. Come to the Chasers, where we've refined our process and we've made our process simple enough, because we understand that if your process is too complicated, it's difficult to replicate the over and over and over and over. So come, guys, be in a place obviously where people are doing what you want to do. Otherwise, I think I've said it, man.
Guys, what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Subscribe. I'm waiting for you now.
Come on now. Come on now. If you guys have watched until the end, it means that you guys obviously have received some value. So obviously show us that you enjoy the content, that we are making stuff that are relevant to what you guys want to see. Drop a like on the video. Obviously subscribe if you haven't. And otherwise, guys, we want to give you guys content that you guys value. So let us know in the comments what you guys, obviously, what are your opinions on obviously what we spoke about today, and also what you guys would like to see in our future videos as well.
Let there be peace in the Middle East.
Let our brothers and sisters be safe.